Yeah, today was a really hard race. We had like no really group was going, and yeah, the road were up and down, left and right, and it was really fast in the peloton all day. I felt really good, and our goal was normally to put Max in the lead jersey. Then I was in the front group with 4 riders and then 3. And then I still feel good, and I feel that everybody was tired, so I just rided 20 kilometers to go. And, I made it to the finish, and now I'm leader. Yeah, normally the plan was for Max, and yeah, we had also Patrick in the second position, so we had a perfect situation for our team. And yeah, it's like perfect how it works out.
How important is this victory for you?
Yeah, it's my first World Tour victory, and it's victory like this on the Queen stage here is really cool. And also to be now in the leader jersey is nice, and now we try to defend it tomorrow.
It's a race you liked. You were 4, I think, last year, yeah?
Yes, last year I did also a really good race here. It was 4th, and yeah, to win it would be incredible.
I mean that you know also the stage of tomorrow. What can we expect on the stage of tomorrow? You have a good gap at the GC, so you will be able to play defensively.
Yeah, tomorrow is a short stage, but a really hot one, and I think everybody, especially Astana, Movistar, they will try to win the race, and so it will be a full gas stage from the start on.
Emmanuel, it is said that the best defense is a good attack. Today you did. Tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow we try to defend the jersey. We have one of the strongest teams here, and I think we can manage this.
Do you think that you are the strongest team, that you have the strongest team?
Yeah, we won already 4 stages here, so I think we can say we have the strongest team.
And the biggest enemy, Astana?
Yeah, Astana is second really strong team. They have a lot of good riders here, and I think they will try to do everything.
What do you expect for the next 24 hours? In 24 hours, where do you want to win?
Yeah. I hope that I can wear this really nice yellow jersey.
Thank you very much, and good luck.
Thank you.
Today is the end of the Yellow Dream for you, but that was a really nice stage from Bora.
Yeah, this is like, you know, in the end we are a team, and it doesn't matter who wins. And you know, because of our strengths as a team, he could win the stage and takes the GC probably home. He has a pretty comfortable advantage now. I think it was a really hard stage. Quickstep started to destroy all the peloton pretty early. I mean, we had a group of like 15 riders, 70 Ks to go. And I think it was super comfortable that we had still 3 riders in front. And after the super steep climb of the day, I think all the other teams didn't know what to do, and we rode aggressively, and Emo went to the breakaway. Everybody looked at me, and that's when he get the gap, and he showed that he's so strong, and he could easily bring it home. And I think we can be proud and we can celebrate tonight.
How was it in your head in the first passage in Izua, the really steep climb, when you start to be dropped, because you really hang up a lot, you were really strong?
Yeah, I just took my rhythm, and it was pretty nice because I never had to go too deep. I just waited to go, my rhythm, and I was pretty fine over this climb. I expected it actually harder.
Tomorrow, you are a teammate again?
Yeah, tomorrow is another hard stage, but I think we should really bring this GC victory home.
And the 3rd place on the podium.
Yeah, it's another hard stage, but yeah, I hope to defend it, of course.
Which do you think that is the strongest enemy for the team for winning tomorrow?
Obviously, it's Astana. They rode pretty strong all the week, and Movistar as well. So these teams are the strongest here, probably.
Thank you very much, and good luck for tomorrow.
Thank you.